In front of me is XIAOMI 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display. Then scroll down again and tap on Font. Finally, just select the best one for you by clicking on it. I will go with this one. Now tap on Free button, wait couple of seconds, and select Apply. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default style, access Display again, click on Font, and this time tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Then you need to click on Font section right next to Ringtones. Click on Roboto, which is your default font style, and hit Apply. Then you need to choose Reboot in the pop-up to apply your default font. So when I do that, and go back, I can see that my applied font switched back to the default one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!